Today, your guardian angels have a special message for you. Miracles are just around the corner. Keep going strong, as better times are ahead. This message is here to comfort and support you. Remember, you are never alone, even in the hardest times. Rest assured, your guardian angels are always looking out for you. Someone very special has been sent your way by the angels, and they are going to be very important in your life. This person works as a law enforcement officer and cares about you deeply. They've even been asking for your address because your guardian angels have brought you two together in this unusual way. This new person in your life is ready to make a big commitment and plans to propose soon. If you trust the promises of this police officer, they will protect you from any dangers you might face. This person is excellent at their job and committed to ensuring your safety at all times. They will be there for you consistently because their love for you is deep and genuine. Recognize that this individual is a unique blessing from your guardian angels. They have been chosen to accompany you on your life's journey, sharing both your adventures and everyday moments. They regard you as someone extraordinary and are genuinely eager to start a life with you. This person will remain by your side during both the joyful times and the challenging ones, ready to celebrate your successes and support you when times get tough. Your guardian angels have selected this person especially for you, confident that they are the ideal partner. As you prepare to embark on this new chapter, think carefully about the messages your angels are sending you. The efforts you've put into your life, often unnoticed by others, are what pave the way for your happiness and personal growth. Trust in the guidance from above and be open to the new opportunities that are on the horizon. Now is a time for change and fresh beginnings. Embrace the transformations as they come and see them as opportunities to grow and evolve. This new phase in your life is not just about finding love, but also about expanding your horizons and embracing new experiences. The angels are guiding you towards a future filled with hope and fulfillment, so keep your heart and mind open to what's coming. Believe in the power of fresh starts and the importance of moving forward with hope. Relationship is not only about companionship, but also about building a future together that is enriched by mutual support and shared goals. As you step into this new beginning, remember that every day is a chance to create something beautiful with someone who was sent to you by your guardian angels. They saw what your life needed and brought you someone who could bring love, security, and joy. Trust in this divine arrangement and let it unfold naturally, bringing with it all the blessings and new adventures it has to offer. You've discovered love with someone who works in the police force, and this individual will provide you with both protection and guidance. Believing that angels are orchestrating these timely encounters in your life indicates your faith in a higher power overseeing your path. In your romantic endeavors, significant changes are on the horizon. While the idea of change might seem daunting, it is essential for personal growth and development. The angels urge you to embrace these changes with an open heart. The events unfolding in your life are not mere coincidences, they are part of a larger, divine scheme designed to lead you to genuine happiness. Trust in the divine timing of your life's journey, knowing that every step is guided by celestial forces aimed at enhancing your well-being. This new relationship promises not just companionship, but also a sense of security and direction. As you navigate the changes together, you will find that each challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger and more connected. The presence of this person in your life is a gift from the angels meant to support you through life's ups and downs. With their help, you'll find the strength to face any obstacles that come your way. Moreover, this is a time to reflect on the blessings that are being brought into your life. Appreciate the love and support you are receiving, and remember that each moment is a step towards a more fulfilled and joyful future. Your angels are encouraging you to move forward with confidence and enthusiasm, ready to take on new challenges and seize new opportunities. As you prepare for this new chapter, remember that change is the key to unlocking new doors to happiness and self-discovery. The angels have planned this journey for you carefully, ensuring that it brings out the best in you. Embrace the adventure with a positive mindset and let the excitement of what lies ahead fuel your spirit. Your guardian angels are always with you, providing guidance and support as you adapt to these changes. They watch over you, cheering you on as you explore the depths of your heart and the potential of your life. This connection to the divine is a powerful reminder that you are never alone on your journey. So as you step into this evolving relationship, trust in the timing and the plan that the angels have laid out for you. Let their presence be a source of comfort and strength as you embark on this path together. With faith, love, and a little courage, you can navigate any change and find happiness in the arms of someone who was sent to be your partner, protector, and guide. Your guardian angels are encouraging you to trust this new person in your life and to be open to the help they offer. When they join your life, you will notice many new opportunities begin to emerge. If you are facing difficult times, this person will be there to support you, offering a shoulder to lean on and hands ready to help. Their arrival in your life is not just by chance. Think of it as a positive push that will lead to even greater things ahead. Trusting your guardian angels and being open to this person's presence will bring about significant changes in your life and positively affect who you are as a person. The angels urge you to follow your heart and put your plans into action. Continue pushing forward with determination and never give up. When you combine your faith with proactive steps, you create the potential for wonderful outcomes. This individual will be there to assist you, providing encouragement and support as you move forward. You will never be alone, as this person's presence is intertwined with the love and guidance from your angels. Together, you will navigate the path laid out for you, connected and supported every step of the way. A miracle in your life isn't just a random stroke of luck. It is a beautifully orchestrated gift designed to enhance your existence. Your guardian angels want you to know that each new day holds potential for joy and fulfillment, especially now with this person by your side. This relationship is meant to help you grow, thrive, and achieve more than you could alone. As you embrace this new connection, remember that it is divinely guided and filled with promise. Think of the many ways your life can now improve with someone supportive by your side. Whether it's tackling a long-held goal, facing a fear, or simply finding joy in the everyday, this person will be there to experience it all with you. The angels have not only sent you a companion, but also a partner who will inspire and challenge you to reach new heights. Your guardian angels are always watching over you, ensuring that you are guided towards paths that lead to happiness and success. With this new partnership, you are stronger and more capable of overcoming obstacles that may come your way. It is a time for new beginnings, fresh perspectives, and renewed hope. So as you journey together with this new ally, let their support and the divine guidance of your angels fill you with confidence. Embrace the changes, enjoy the adventures, and always remember that this union is a sacred one, blessed from above to bring more light into your life. So listen carefully to their advice. Remember, they often use small signs and your own feelings to guide you. Good things will keep coming if you are grateful for what you already have. Today, your guardian angels are sending you a message filled with love and hope. You're going to marry this police officer, and together you'll tackle any challenges that come your way. Pay attention to what your guardian angels say and enjoy spending time with each other. Your life is moving in the right direction, leading you to a happy and rewarding future. Embrace this path with faith in the timing of the universe. If you trust in this path and believe in the timing, you'll live a life full of purpose. Make every moment count and have faith that everything is turning out for the best. Say amen to accept the blessings from your angels now